Okay guys, it's finally part 2 of the air raid shelter. A lot of things came through, we had a lot of activity there, and there's more to that place than I think we haven't even scratched the surface. Like, we have loads of activity coming through here. So remember, like, subscribe, and let's get into it.
Everybody fucking jump!
Let's do this is the center point. Let's do the thing here.
We'll do the spirit box here now. Right, all phones got to go on airplane, just so it doesn't interfere with that.
Who? Mia. I want airplane mode. Shit, another tap, boys. Just heard another tap.
Yes, constant bad, is it? Oh my fucking god, Lee. You moved your bastard foot that I should be.
Grab a box or something to put that phone on. The spirit box on.
Let's put my bag.
Yeah, okay, what's on?
Yeah, well. You gotta look out for the actual words. Are there any spirits here that would like to communicate with us? Please speak through this device.
Recording. That's how recording is.
Yes. Help. What would you like help with? You. What about me? Turn left. You'll see. What will I see? Lee. Turn left, what will I see? Lee. Oh my god. You hear that clearly?
That's it, Jared.
No, that's it, Jared. Did you hear that as well?
I'm just keeping my back to a wall, boys.
Why don't you put your phone to the torch on? Just so we got some extra light in there. I can't believe I said Lee and Jared.
Just don't say my name.
How do you know our names? How do you know our names? Can you tell us your names? Shut up.
Quiet.
No, I said shut up, I'm sure of it.
Yeah, and he's very quiet after it.
Yeah?
Very quiet.
Pardon. Huh?
Like that.
Can you tell us your name, please? Is Dave here? Listen. Is Dave here? Can you tell us any information why you are stuck here? How are you stuck to this building? I'm sure that's a turn around really fast.
Boys,
Who should turn around?
there's water on the walls.
That we need earlier.
just water coming in, like, it's a bit freaky. That wall is dry just now. And that's said turn around quickly, and that's fucking soaking wet.
Yeah, but where would it be coming from? There's no cracks, is there? Oh, there's little cracks in here. Would you like to tell us anything before we move on to the next room? That's it, something, help. In the same voice. Can you say my name? Do you know my name?
Oh yeah, man, we did a spike, don't shoot it.
That's a dude. I said we were watching. I said it interrupted a little before we finished watching. Is there anything now before we go into the next room that you would like to tell me?
Let's move to the next room.
Okay, thank you for your time.
No, keep it running, we'll walk with it.
No, I'll see my bag here.
No, I'll bring it next room, bring it there. No, I'll let. Yeah, bro. We've still got the spirit box going as well. Right, this is room we've got more CMF meeting. Right in. So, let's hope if we get a bit of a spike and more answers. Can't get more.
Huh?
Can't get more.
No, the man.
Okay.
How was the battery looking? Because they can drain battery.
So I can't see battery.
No, if it was dying, it'd come up.
Okay, it's not battery.
Right, if there are any spirits in this room, would you like to communicate with me, please? We mean no disrespect. This is purely for communication. Communicate with me through one of my devices in my hands. I said hi. Can you tell us your name, please? Chris.
Sound like Tristan to me.
Sound like Chris to me.
It sounded like Chris to me as
Chris.
well. Chris, is Chris your name? Yes. No, that's my phone now, guys. Run.
From what?
What are we running from?
Someone.
What are we running from? Are we in danger?
No.
Yes. Pain. Do you know our names?
I said your name.
We had known you first year. They say literally my name in every single one. How do you know our names? How do you know our names? No. If you do not want to speak through this device in my hand, make my EMF meter go off. Just once, make it go off.
I just said please leave. But
Why should we leave?
why do you want us to leave?
Listen, we are listening. What would you like to tell us? I can hear tapping from in here now.
Yeah. Creepy guys.
It is.
What is that tapping? There's nothing dripping. We heard it in you. We
It's
came in
bone
you.
dry.
There's
On
nothing.
top of a wall and it could be anything falling stones. But there is weird. There's it sounded definitely echoey from
Yeah, it was
But when
inside.
we're
I'm
in
sure of it.
yeah.
I'm telling you, we were hearing in you until we came in here. Now we can hear it in here. It's not fucking. It's not drippers.
That's what I mean.
It keeps on switching rooms.
Ask if he wants to leave.
Do you know what the noise is in the next room? Yes. Yes. What is it? Is it you?
Could be.
Oh, that's it, chills down my spine. That made the hairs on the back of my neck stand up.
Would you like us to leave?
Should we leave? I said what? That sounded like it was really annoyed.
Sounds English, but I can't understand your Welsh accent.
Do you want us to leave?
Did I just say my name? I'm telling you, but there's something up with this place and me.
What's my name?
Oh my god!
I just said
Like-
my name.
Did you just hear that howling noise?
I just said all three of our names.
Yeah, but did you hear that howling noise?
No, it's dogs up line.
What's my ginger friend's name?
Did I just...
No, look. I'm pretty sure that just said no.
Where should we look? Are you around us?
Batteries on. Batteries on.
They're draining my battery now.
Take it out my hand.
No, don't worry. Why are you draining my battery? Do you not like me recording? I'm sure the first word of that is no. Should we leave? Danger.
We need a yes or no answer.
Yeah, we need a yes or no answer. Should we leave? Make my K2 spike up to red or say through this device. We need a yes or no answer. Should we leave? Go. No. Are you around us right now? You know, I'm sure that's near you.
I said leave. I'm confident that I said leave. Do you want us to leave? Yes or no? No. Alright.
It's the guy.
I heard a noise as well.
I know that's what cracked me out. That dark patch. Right, thank you for your time. We're going to try the furthest room now. I'm telling you about they got a session with me. They just said I like you. Oh my god. I'm telling you, there's more to this.